Mother wolf named the baby Mowgli. She and Father Wolf knew they had to follow the law of the jungle. Now, what is another law of the jungle? By jungle law, when a wolf marries and has cubs, he must present them to the pack council. Now, pack council is a group of elected wolves to govern other. Means newborn baby is to be presented in front of pack council. There, the other wolves must look at them well to remember what they look like. Means at the council, everybody should look at the new cub to remember what they look like. When they know their faces, when they are familiar with each other, when they come to know that this new baby is in a community, they cannot kill them by mistake. Any wolf who kills a cub must die himself, and by mistake also, if any wolf kills another cub, he will die, or he should kill himself. Then the cubs are free to run where they please until they are old enough to kill for their own food. Means when the cubs are young, they can run freely anywhere till they are grown up and they are old enough to kill for their own food. This meeting was held every month under the full moon at Council Rock. Now, where was the meeting held? At the Council Rock. When was the meeting held? Every month. On this night, there were about 40 wolves of every size and color at the meeting place. Means at the meeting place, there were so many 40 wolves there at the meeting place. Akela was the leader of the pack. He was a great grey wolf who hunted alone and so was known as the lone wolf. Now, Akela was a huge, great grey wolf who used to hunt alone. That is why he was named as the lone wolf. When it was time, Father Wolf pushed Mowgli into the center of the circle. The baby sat there laughing and playing with small stones. When the meeting started, then Father Wolf pushed Mowgli, human child, into the center of the circle. And baby, is very strong, not afraid. And the baby was sitting there laughing and playing with some small stones. Then out of the dark, means from somewhere, they all heard the voice of Sher Khan. This baby is not a wolf, he is mine. Give it to me. Sher Khan asked the baby to be given to him as it was not a wolf. There was much growling and snarling, shouting, all started shouting. But they listened to Akela. Everybody listened to Akela only. His eyes moved around the circle of the wolves. Akela's eyes moved around the circle of the wolves. Means Akela looked at all the wolves. Look well, O wolves. Akela said, look well at this baby. Look well. Remember the face of this cub, means this human cub, and keep him safe. Remember too that we do not take orders from anyone outside the pack. Akela said, as earlier also wolves said, that wolves take order only from the pack and they are not going to take order from anyone. Just then a 4-year-old spoke up. Indeed, what do we need a human baby for? A 4-year-old wolf spoke up that why do we need a human baby? The law of the jungle says that if there is an argument about a cub joining the pack, means if anybody argues to keep the baby or not keep the baby in the pack, 2 others of the pack who are not his father and mother must speak for him. Means 2 other persons or 2 other wolves other than mother and father should vote for the cub to be kept in the pack. Who speaks for this baby? Akela said, who speaks for this baby? Who wants to keep this baby? There was only one other animal the wolves let speak at the council meeting, and that was Balu. Other than wolves, there was only one person, that is Balu, who was allowed to speak at the council meeting. Who is Balu? The sleepy brown bear who taught new cubs the ways of the jungle. He slowly stepped forward into the circle, means he came forward to vote for the human cub, a human baby. I speak for the man's baby, means I want this baby to be kept in the council. Let him run with the pack, means move with the pack or remain with the pack. I myself will teach him. I will teach him the law of the jungle or the ways of the jungle. There was total silence, finally broken by Akela. Now one vote, Balu. Now again there is a silence. And then Akela said, we need another voice. We need another person to vote for human baby. A black shadow quietly entered the circle. Another person is coming. Now who is that? Another animal is coming. Who is it? It was Bagheera. Now who is Bagheera? The Black Panther. His silky coat shining in the moonlight. Everybody in the jungle knew Bagheera and respected his power and his wisdom. Everyone in the jungle respected Bagheera for his power and wisdom. He was both clever and brave, and everybody stayed out of his way. Means he was both clever and brave, and nobody objected him or anybody came in front of him. Although he came to the meetings at Council Rock, means most of the time he used to come to the Council Rock, but he did not speak. He never spoke up there, he only heard. But this evening, in a voice as soft as honey, he said, see, there is a comparison of voice. Voice is as soft as honey, means Bagheera spoke very softly. The law says that someone can buy the life of a cub, but it does not say who can or cannot buy it. May I speak? Now Bagheera says, according to the law, you can buy the life of a cub, not by money, but by how? We'll see it. But who can buy the life of a cub or who cannot? Nobody has decided. So can I speak? Good, good. The hungry young wolves all howled together, spoke loudly or long loud sound, all together said, good, good. Speak then, cried the voices of the council in the dark. It's a shame to kill a cub. It's very bad to kill a cub. I asked to buy the life of this baby for the price of one fat bull newly killed. Now Bagheera is buying the life of the human cub for the price of one fat bull. Means Bagheera is giving a one fat bull who is newly killed for the life of the human baby. There was much growling and noise as all the wolves spoke at the same time. Means there was so much of noise. They agreed that the baby was no danger to them. Then came Akela's deep cry. Look well, O wolves. Now everybody, Akela asked everyone to look well. Now what to look at? Look at the human baby, the small baby. One by one, they went to look at the new cub, the human cub. Mowgli was still playing and laughing. When everybody was looking at the Mowgli, he was still enjoying while playing and laughing. He did not know yet that he was now one of the pack. He still didn't come to know that he is one of the pack group of wolves because he was very small at this time. With this I complete your lesson 1. I'll complete this lessons, question answer and other exercises at page number 70 in my next video.